You are going to love the 2010 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.